Welcome to Hustle Empire. Today, I'll teach you how to make money like this by watching YouTube videos in 4 easy steps. Do you want to make $5 or $10 each YouTube video? This secret method of making money online is a great way to earn an extra $100 every day. Let's perform some basic maths. 5 videos watched can earn you up to $25.15. For watching videos, you might earn up to $75. And 30 views may get you to $100. To earn $100 is totally up to you because there are no daily video viewing limits. Add this strategy to your revenue sources to help you reach financial independence faster. There is no requirement for money, experience, or a degree. To begin making money on a consistent basis, all you need is a smartphone or a laptop. Hello there, everyone. Welcome to the Hustle Empire, a channel dedicated to internet business, money making, success, motivation, and AI automation. I hope you like the video. Let's get started with the first of our 4-part plan right away. We'll start by going to YouTube and logging into our account. Most of you have a YouTube account, but if you don't, go to the upper right corner of your screen and select Sign In. The Create Account button will then appear. You will be directed to a page where you can submit your information after clicking this button. After filling out all of the fields, you must confirm your account by accepting the confirmation email in your mailbox. Your YouTube account has now been set up. Let's go back to the platform. On the left side of our screen, we see the Explorer section, which has numerous categories such as trending, music, movies, games, news, and sports. For this video, we're going to focus on gaming. We are currently witnessing the growth of several viral games, like Pokemon, Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, and Ark Survival. Our money-making method works in a variety of games, but for this video, we'll use Grand Theft Auto as an example. Some popular Grand Theft Auto live streams and videos are now available. Then, rather than regional, we'll use a global filter. We can now view the most popular GTA 5 videos all across the world, not just in our area. For the time being, we'll skip this step and go on to the next phase. In 3 simple steps, you can create an account, shorten your URL, and earn money on 7 or 6.com. This channel is exactly as we want it. Before we begin, let's review what Shorten URL tool is all about. This free tool allows you to shorten URLs and earn points for each click. You will receive money for each click and visit if you click on the shortened link. All payments are made through PayPal, and the minimum payout is $5, so you may be paid every day as long as you have at least $5 in your account. They also have the highest rates of any URL shortening company and a dedicated support staff to help you with any questions you may have. In the following round, we'll decide which URLs to shorten and where to submit them. First, we'll create an account on 7 or 6.com by clicking the Sign Up button at the top. We must now choose a unique username, enter an email address, and make a password. Following that, we accept the terms of service and privacy policy and click on Register Login to have access to the 7 or 6.com interface. Now, we click the new shorten link in the upper left corner and are sent to a dashboard where we may shorten our URL. Great! Step 3 is to choose the most popular YouTube video and live broadcast about Grand Theft Auto. We'll click Share underneath the video, and then we'll see the YouTube video's URL. Return to 7 or 6 by hitting Copy. Now, paste the URL you copied into the first field and give your video a meaningful title. Because the expiration date is left blank, the link will never expire. As a result, the link will always operate and earn you money. Finally, we'll press the Shorten button. Repeat this process as many times as you like, since the more URLs you shorten, the more likely it is that you will earn money. You may also use a shortened URL from a live broadcast using this approach, but you must upload it immediately, as we shall show in step 4 of this video. Before we get to the final part of this video, I'd want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment telling us what you think of our online money-making method. Please watch the first part of this video again if you have any questions, or post them in the comment box below. Moving on to the last phase of this video, given that we have picked the gaming sector and have shortened URLs of hot gaming videos, we would like to broadcast our shorter URLs where many gamers congregate. Let us now go to the final platform in our film, steamcommunity.com. This platform brings together all gamers to discuss their favorite games. Grand Theft Auto has a sizable community and, as a result, a big reach on steamcommunity.com. Our final step will be to post our shortened URLs on discussion groups where this type of content is highly valued. Before we can publish our URLs, we must first create an account on this platform. There is a Join Steam button at the top of the website. After clicking on it, we may enter our email address and country of residence on the following screen. Then we input the form "I am not a robot," confirm our age, and click the Continue button. Following that, we must authenticate our account using the verification email we received from Steam. Then we return to the main page and click on Community, then Discussions. Now we search for any mentions of Grand Theft Auto 5. As you can see, a lot of people are talking about this game. Then we'll copy and paste our truncated URLs into as many discussions as we like. Because it is relevant material, this will not be considered spam. This raises the likelihood of obtaining as many views, website visitors, and, eventually, money into your pay account. In the next 5 seconds, I'll give you my template for obtaining clicks in discussion groups with shortened links to get you started. Great! You are now prepared to start earning $100 or more each day by watching and sharing YouTube videos. Remember to subscribe if you want to get more content about how to make money every day. See you next time at Hustle Empire.